What it be? What it do? Faggot here back with another food review. Get up, Mario. Where's the remote? I found it. Okay. It's Tubba. Or should I say Patrick? Damn, you turned slow. Alright, comet time again. I don't know why I'm doing this, I could've just zoomed out, but whatever. Puzzle plank counts. I like puzzles. Wow, I'm so amazed. I can't fuck this one up. Oh, it's purple coinies. I can't do this. No, I mean, I can do this, but I don't have great memories of this. But that's because I was young. Oh, it's peaceful music. Yeah, see, it fucking pranked you. Well, it is called a prankster comment. Give me that shit. Give me that. Fucker's trying to catch me. Get the fuck away from me, me. Ha! You thought I was gonna hit me, but I didn't hit anything. I got this, I got this. I don't even need to... okay, I do. I still do. Oop. Shut up, leave me alone, Time. Yippee! Fucking ugly cunt. I fucking hate you. I hate me. I hate this me. See, you guys suck. Get ready for mass destruction. Dumbasses. Stole all their money. Give me that. Mine now, bitches. I said mine. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Another motherfuck. All the star coins are just activating. Oh. Whoops. Check it out. Corneria. First planet of the Mario system. The evil Bowser's an asshole and Mario has to collect all the fucking stars because Peach is a dumbass. She can't fucking lock her door. Wee. Get the fucking star. Pee-wee Herman. What did you expect? It's the purpose of the My Brother show, but no one watches that. Except me. Oh, shit. Wait, what was I supposed to do again? I don't remember what I was supposed to do. I think I'm supposed to break this. Shit, what am I supposed to do? Leave me the fuck alone, Time. Okay, so... I'm just gonna go underneath. No, the fucking Wampa fruit! Go. Wait, I don't even think I'm supposed to go over here. Where am I supposed to go? Oh, I was fuck. Shut up. Oh, there's a clock over there. Oh, it's because I used the time skip that fucking game doesn't reward people who jump over the fence. Racist. It's because Mario's Mexican. Really? Yeah, this makes sense now. The fucking fruit got my way too. Actually, would have lived left. Fucking gay faggot. Goodbye. Thank you. Fucking mud. Give me the clock. I know. You can't stay in there forever. Ah, another clock. Whatever, I'll make it. Will I though? I'm on the clock here, you ask me. Wake up, you piece of shit. It's a Mario time. Oh no. Wait, no! Fat ass. Get your fat ass over here. Oh, there was a clock in your ass. Fat fuck. Come on, get over here. Death awaits. You're not really dead though, because your ass is just gonna. Yep, see, it just sucked everything. Fucking fat shit. Shit. Get over here! No! Get the fucking clock! Don't laugh at me, you piece of shit. Uh-oh. This is bad news bears. Nah, I got this. Nah, I'm okay. Oh, fucking gay piece of shit. Get your nipple ass out of here. 9 seconds. I'm pretty sure you have time. Or, you're still time to get the star. Oh, you're not? Oh, funny if you did this. You're like 0 seconds. Dead. Give me that. Speed running. Except I'm pretty sure I wasted a lot of time. Oh, here. Get it, Sally. Ding, ding, ding. I guarantee it's gonna be another fucking con. Yeah, I knew. I told you. Another. Oh. I regret getting comic coins. I know. Give them your best. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, what am I doing? Get this, zoom out. It's a comic coin. Can I just skip it? I kind of don't feel like it. I'd rather just go to this world. Whoops. Well, I haven't used this power up in a while, so why not? Again. Rolling Crapper Stomper. I should have called it. Oh yeah, this one. I remember this mission. Polar Rock Shroom. It only appeared in Mario Galaxy 1, I think. And this one. And never again. Not even Smash Bros. Give me that, get it. Time for everyone to die. I have to go down first, not up. Itchy! Oh, I hate when I get itchy. I'm trying to do something. I lost all that time. Die. Line him up. Trying to square up with me. Stupid crabs. I have a rock. Another leafy. Not like it matters. Actually, no, I think this game does it. Well, enough of the lives. I gotta kill this one. Sounds like it's dripping water. At least to me. First I must destroy everything. What was that? A coiny. Watch me get a start like this. I jumped right over. Wait. I don't like how the stars look round. I liked it better than the 64 when it was more sharp, like a knife. But now they look fat, like the Gushers. Those Gusher candies, but the star version, I forget what they're called. Oh, at least this place is good. A flip swap. What? What are you talking about? What are you looking at the camera for? It's for him or her to To my lost Luma, I hope this letter reaches you in the brightest spirits and depths. There should be. You don't care about them. I know you don't, because after this game you don't mention them ever again. Of course, there's no return address. Really, was like, don't look for me. I'm giving you best. How about no?